Colorado, severe weather with all three modes is possible today: wind, hail, and tornadoes. Looking at the tornado chart, we can see a 2% risk in the northeastern corner of the state. Wind and hail have a larger coverage area, which does include Colorado Springs. Let's take a look at that. So here's wind, and here's hail. Let's go ahead and move over to a simulated radar model and take a look at the day. This is a 12 p.m. start time for the 12Z run of the HRRR. Simulated radar shows convection firing over the mountains at around noon, and then we can start clicking through the hours and we can see the progression of the storms. So at about noon is when it starts to pop, and then we can start clicking through to the next slide here. And then we'll go through hour by hour. As you can see, it starts to grow. This is 2 p.m. It's getting stronger. 3 p.m. starts to move off the mountains, and then it forms into an organized line and moves east. I'm going to guess, based off this data, that maybe between 8 to 10 p.m. the line should be east and downstream. Overall, it does look like we have severe potential. Let's go ahead and step outside and see where we go from there. As we step outside, we can see that there is quite a bit of moisture and humidity left in the atmosphere from the storms yesterday. This moisture will be the fuel and primer for the hail and wind that impacts Colorado Springs this afternoon. I am not expecting a severe tornado risk here in town, but the SPC did peg that 2% area over the northeastern part of the state. So pretty much anything can happen today. Main risk window is going to be 2 p.m. to about maybe 8 p.m. We can look at the data, or we just did look at the data to show more specifics on that, but that's the general window of time. Pay attention to your alerts today and stay safe, guys.